guys, it's Danielle Lindstrom with the Pampered Chef. I am going to be showing you our apple peeler, corer, and slicer today. So this is a great little tool for peeling. It's in the name. You peel your apple, you core it, and you slice it all at once. This little guy is going to be my helper. This is Max. Can you say hi, Max? He loves apples. He'll come out and he'll just grab one and start eating it. But the problem is that because his mouth is so small and the apple's, weird shaped for a little kid, he'll get a few bites into it and then stick it back in the fridge, and he'll do that randomly throughout a couple of days. So this little tool makes it awesome because it just slices them right up for him, and it's easy to use and makes it so that he can just down the apples as fast as he wants to. And let's be honest, I like it too. So you can buy this, just this top piece, and you can clamp it onto a counter, a stool, however you want to do it. It will work with most surfaces, but you can also purchase the apple peeler, corer, and stand as well, which is what I've done. I really like it on this, but it's personal preference. This has rubber bases, so that you're not scratching up your counters also. So first off, it's got this plastic covering, just to kind of have some protection there. So what you're going to do is push in this lever right there, and that's going to allow you to pull this out. Oh, there he's going at it already. And then you're going to take your apple and you're going to center these 3 prongs around the core. So you just stick it in there, just shove it on nice and snug. Alright, so then you're just going to start cranking it, and you want to make sure that you've got your blade up, obviously. So there's a little pin right here, if you can see that if you bring it down, it'll hold your blade back in case you've got a big apple to try to fit in there. And then you can just move it right back up to let your blade come up to do the cutting. Alright, Max. So you just start twisting it. Alright, he's trying to eat it off the spinner. Okay, Max, can you sit back, please? Alright, so once it gets to the blade, you can see that it starts peeling the apple. Keep it off my hand. Kind of hold it just right here, you're safe, and it keeps it sturdy. So once you get all the way through, it'll pop back through the end like it began. And you just slide that off. Your core is there, so you can just pull it right off. Put it in the garbage, compost, whatever you want to do with it. Sorry, it's a little soft on the apple, so just pull that off. And then you've got your cored, peeled, and sliced apple. You just peel it off. There you go, Max. You're welcome. I also like to dehydrate these. I love dehydrated apples, and it's a healthier snack, so I like to do it that way. And there you go, guys. It's a great contraption, especially if you have kids or you just hate eating apples the traditional way. Who likes to be traditional? So it's a cool little contraption for that. As always, if you like the video, give it a like, give me a subscription, leave a comment if you have any requests for other videos or any suggestions for anything. And look in the description for a link on how to contact me if you're interested in the business or hosting your own online party. And I hope you guys liked it. Thanks!